Hi, good evening everyone. It's Mahesh Shiror. So, problems continued of Model 4 shear stress in PSC beam. Okay, a pre-stressed concrete beam of span 10 meters has a rectangular section of 120 mm wide and 300 mm deep. Is pre-stressed by a curved cable carrying an effective force of 180 kN. The beam supports a total uniformly distributed load of 5 kN per meter, which includes the self-weight of the member. The beam is additionally pre-stressed by a vertical cable imparting a stress of 2.50 Newton per mm square in the direction of the depth of the beam. Estimate the nature of the principal stresses developed in the support section. The cable has 0 eccentricity at support and an eccentricity of 100 mm below the CG at the midspan section. So it is a rectangular beam of 120 by 300 mm deep. Span is 10 meters. Dead load and live load, they are given 5 kN per meter, and vertical pre-stress is 2.5 kN per mm square. So P is equal to 180 kN per meter. Therefore, vertical stress is 2.5 Newton per mm square, that is equal to Fi. Therefore, horizontal stress is equal to Fx is equal to P by A, that is P is equal to 180 into 10 raised to 3 divided by area is 120 into 300, that is 5 Newton per mm square. I is equal to BD cube by 12, therefore 120 into 300 cube divided by 12, that is 270 into 10 raised to 6 mm raised to 4. So, but they are given 120. So, A into A bar equal to 120 into 150 divided by 150 by 2, that is 1.35 into 10 raised to 6. Next, after finding this first moment of inertia, then so this is the beam simply support of 10 meters UDL. So next total load is 5 kN, so factor load is 1.5 into 5, that is equal to 7.5 kilonewton per meter. Then ultimate shear force is equal to, that is equal to WL by 2, that is W into 7.5 into 10 by 2, that is 37.5 kilonewton. So in this their vertical stress is there, okay, and the cable is parabolic. So since it is parabolic, sin theta is equal to 4E upon L if it is parabolic cable. So that is P sin theta is the vertical component. So sin theta equal to 4E upon L, 4 into E is 100 mm at center, divided by L is 10 into 1000, that is 10,000 0.04. Next, P into sin theta is P is 180 into 10 raised to 3, that is P stressing force is given in the previous, into sin theta is 0.04, that is equal to 7200 Newton. Then shear force V equal to 37.5 into 10 raised to 3 minus P into sin theta. So this horizontal is, ultimate shear force is horizontal is this. So due to this inclined, you have to minus this vertical forces, that shear force, that is 37.5 into 10 raised to 3 minus of 7200, that is 3030 Newton. Therefore, shear stress is equal to tau V, Vu into A into I bar into IB. Tau V is equal to Vu equal to 30300 into A into I bar is 1.35 into 10 raised to 6 as previous, divided by I is equal to 270 into 10 raised to 6 divided into 120, that is equal to 1.26 Newton per mm square. Therefore, principal stresses maximum and minimum is Fx plus Fy divided by 2 plus half into root of Fx minus Fy the whole square plus 4 into 2v square. So they are given vertical and horizontal. Therefore, Fx is equal to 5, Fy equal to 2.5 as that given in the previous, divided by 2 plus half into root of Fx minus Fy the whole square, 5 minus 2.5 the whole square plus 4 into 1.26 the whole square, that is equal to 5.25 Newton per mm square and 1.97 Newton per mm square. Okay, thank you.